Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to enable USB boot options on your Lenovo Thinkpad or Lenovo IdeaPad, and this would work on other Lenovo platforms, computers. And I'm going to power on the computer and click on F12 so that we go to the USB boot options. And what we shall see, we won't have the USB boot options on our screen, as you can see here. I'm going to bring the laptop closer. And as you can see, we don't have USB boot options. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on Ctrl-Alt-Delete to go and click on F2 so that we go to the BIOS system. On your Thinkpad, you can use F1 and that would work also for the Thinkpad. So here we are entering the BIOS system, and in the BIOS system, what we get there is the system information. As you can see, I hope you see clearly. I want you to go ahead and click the right arrow key. Then this will take us to the configurations, and as you can see, the USB boot, the USB legacy is disabled, and this won't allow you to install any Windows system. So when you enable this, I want you to go to boot by clicking the right arrow key. Then you have to also enable this option. Click enter, then enable. Then to save changes, you have to go and head and click F10. When you click F10, the computer will boot, and I want you to be clicking F12, and this will take us back to the boot manager. And in the boot manager, I want you to click the down arrow key where you see our USB. Then when you click the down arrow key, and this will, you click any key, and this will start the Windows installation process, as you can see. And this would work on other laptops, and in our case, the Lenovo Thinkpad and Lenovo IdeaPad. This is how you enable the USB boot options, and this is going to load the files on the computer. Then the Windows installation process will start. So I'm going to stop here. And thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this, and also share and comment for more help. I'll be able to reply you within a few seconds. Have a nice time. Goodbye.